ऑनलायन गेमिंग कंपनींचेर 28% GST लावपाच्या निर्णयाक लागून पर्यटन उद्देगाक फटको बसतलो. हॉटेल्स आनी हेर ल्हान वेवसायिकांचेरूय परिणाम जातलो म्हूण ट्रॅव्हल अँड टुरिझम इंडस्ट्रीचो अध्यक्ष जॅक सुकीजा सांगता. तशेंच कितलेशोच ऑनलायन एजन्सी बंद पडल्यात म्हूण सुकीजा सांगता.
So the Supreme Court order which came out looks at a 28% retrospective levy on all gaming activities. The scope is very vast. Mainly it has hit online gaming industries like Gamescraft and others. I don't know the names. It has hit race courses and all. And what does the order say? That the tax will apply on the full value which is bettered rather than the commission or platform fee that these players is to charge. Now that is a huge impact on that industry, and it will affect it very badly. I think a lot of online gaming agencies have also closed because of that. The question that arises is that state governments like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu have looked to curb these activities. But if you curb Indian players, foreign players are still being allowed. So I don't know how they'll really regulate it. Now, coming specifically to the Goa issue on this online gaming, on casinos, it will definitely impact because, like I said, they're levying it on the entire 28% on the full value, and it will definitely impact because there will be a huge outgo which these companies will have to pay from their pocket. So, what their situation is, we will not be able to tell.
हे विशयी आम्ही कसिनो संपर्क केल्यार ताणें सांगले तांकां हे विशयी कोर्टाच्या आदेशाची अजून कॉपी मेळूंक ना खंय. मजगतीं डेल्टा कॉर्पोरेशनाक राज्य सरकारा कडच्यान 1,752 कोटी रुपयाची GST नोटीस आयल्या. कंपनीन खंय नोटीसीक उच्च न्यायालयान आव्हान दिलां.
So I'm going to speak this from my personal point of view. For me, I've always felt personally that if we are going to go for casinos, we should have a proper gaming policy in place, and these casinos should move to a gaming center. There's definitely going to be an impact with this if casinos have less business. There is going to be an impact on the hospitality industry within Panjim. Also, it's going to have an all-round multiplier effect on a lot of other small businesses around.
प्रुडंट खातीर महेश घाडी आणि साहिल मांद्रेकार.